Hey guys, if you are facing the problem that sorry this media file appears to be missing on your WhatsApp, so let me guide how to fix this problem by 4 methods. I'm sure one of them will work for you. So our first method is that you have to just open your phone settings. Now you have to just scroll down and click on the apps management option and then click on the app settings. Now you have to just find here your WhatsApp and then tap to open your WhatsApp and then click on the permissions option. Here you have to just scroll down and find here the option which is named as storage. Just tap on it and then allow it. After this your problem will be resolved. If not, then you have to just move to the next method. You have to just open your Play Store or App Store that you are using in your Android or iPhone. Then you have to just search here for the WhatsApp and check that if it is updated or not. If not, then you have to just click to update it. So after updating, your problem will be fixed. If not, then you have to just move to the next step. And the next and the most effective method is that you have to just turn on the flight mode or airplane mode in your Android or iPhone for 3 to 4 seconds. After this, just turn it off, and doing so your problem will be fixed. If not, then the last and the final solution for this problem is that you have to just minimize this and then tap and hold on your WhatsApp and then click to uninstall it. After uninstalling, you have to just again install it, and doing so your problem will be fixed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. Give this video thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.